Let's define and invoke a function in JavaScript. We'll go ahead and call it add, and as you might suspect, this function will add two numbers. Let's call them a and b. Here is the body of the function, and I'm simply going to return a plus b. Now let me make some comments. As you can see there, I denoted with the keyword function. I then enter the parameters that are going to be passed into the function, or the parameters that the function is expecting, and then I simply return a payload using the keyword return, and in this case I'm simply going to return adding the numbers or the values a plus b. Below it, I'm going to record the result in a variable called result, and then I'm going to invoke the function, and I'm going to pass to it 1 and 1. Now, as a last line, I'm going to write to the console, and then I'm going to simply write that result. Okay, so we've gone ahead and defined the function, then we have invoked it, and then we have written the results to the console. So let's go ahead and run this. We're going to go ahead and move to the debugger. We'll go ahead and put a breakpoint at this location here on line 5, and I'm going to go ahead and run. Now at this point, the function has been defined, and now we're going to invoke it. I'm going to go ahead and step over that line, and if we look at the result of the variable, you can see there that we have a value of 2. If we go over the next line, you can see down here in the debug console that we have in fact 2 as output. So that is a very bare bones walkthrough creating a function, invoking it, and stepping through it in the debugger.